Hi everyone, today I'll be doing the live withdraw from TapChamps app. This is my second withdraw from this app. Hopefully this app is still paying. This is the actual dashboard of this app. We can play lots of games here and get diamonds. We can redeem those diamonds in actual cash. So without further delay, let's redeem it. You can see here my diamond on the top, 7,196. Let's click in the shop. You can see here lots of options we can redeem those diamonds, but today I'll be redeem in PayPal account. You can see here 6,499 diamond is 20 pound. I'll be doing the 20 pound redeem, and let's find out how long does it take to arrive in the PayPal account. Let's click in the redeem now. You can see here buy option on the bottom. Let's click in the buy, confirm, close it. You can see here on the top 20 pound. You can see here diamond is already deducted from main balance. Let's wait and see how long does it take to actually arrive in the PayPal account. After 10 hours, I received email from service saying that 84 game Ireland Limited has sent you 20 GBP. Now let's find out in the PayPal account. Wallet, activity. Yeah, you can see here 20 pound from 84 game Ireland. One last thing I forgot to mention, guys, never use auto clicker or anything like that. I was banned before, but they unbanned me when I requested from the email. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.